introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Lavanya. I have completed my BTech in Mallareddy College of Engineering, the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I am from Begumpet, Hyderabad. My hobbies are listening to music and cooking. Thank you.
So let's start it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is cherry pick?
Cherry pick is picking a commit from one branch and applying it to the other branch.
Git reflog.
Git reflog, it is used to recover a deleted branch.
Deleted branch. So what are the steps you follow to delete a branch? And unfortunately, if you delete a branch, what are the steps you follow?
First, we need. I need to tell.
Yeah, I mean.
First, we need to install a plugin, Thin Backup.
Okay.
Then we need to use.
No, I'm asking about Git reflog.
Git reflog. Commit ID is Git reflog.
Why we use Git reflog? What is different between revert and reset?
Revert is done in the local, sir, and revert is done in the remote, where to delete commits. Reset means it is done in local.
Right. So next part. What is different between Policium, Webhook, and Periodical Build?
Policium is it builds the code whether the code is changes or not. Changed is not. Coming to Webhook, it immediately builds the code.
Okay.
Immediately after, within seconds.
Okay.
And periodical. Sorry, I'll come again. Periodical build is it builds the code whether the code is changed or not. Policium is it builds the code when changed before the scheduled time.
Okay.
Webhook, it immediately builds the code after changed.
What is purpose of Maven?
Maven is a build tool developed by Apache Software Foundation.
Okay.
It is used to build tool and manage projects written in 20 other languages.
Written in Java language, it can build other 20 languages.
Yes, human understanding
language. What are the other plugins you have worked on in Jenkins? Other plugins?
Nexus Artifact, role-based, Thin Backup, and Docker API, Docker Commerce.
Okay. So, what is the use of difference between? What is the difference between Docker, SonarQube, and then Nexus?
SonarQube, it is used to check the code quality, vulnerabilities, bugs.
Okay.
And Nexus is the open source repository.
Okay.
It is used for artifact.
Okay. The difference between Docker CMD and in Docker CMD and then what could be an entry point?
Docker CMD, it overrides the argument, and entry point, it doesn't overrides the argument.
Okay. What is workd here?
Workd here, it shows the particular location of the directory.
Okay. How can you take backup of a Jenkins?
Like using config.xml.
Backup. How do you take the backup of a Jenkins?
Sir, I don't know, but I know a single
command. You said
command.
Thin Backup something, right?
Yes, using Thin Backup plugin.
Yes. Yeah.
/var/lib/jenkins/backup.
You need to create a backup directory, or it is there already existed?
No, we need to
create. Okay, fine. So, what is the use of EBS and EFS?
Elastic Block Store. EFS.
EBS. So, have you heard about EBS and EFS?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between EBS and EFS?
EFS is the elastic file system where we upload files to the attached files.
So, if we upload here, it will be if we attach that file system to any other system, you can see that file in that system as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is load balancer?
Load balancer, it is mainly of three types: application, network, and gateway.
So, what is the difference between network and application?
It is the connection between containers.
Containers? I mean, it's not related to the Docker, it's related to EC2 instance.
Network? No, sir, no idea.
Okay.
Sorry.
So, are you comfortable with Terraform?
Not much, sir. I will give 3 out of 5.
Okay. Could you please write a sample doc Jenkins file and explain the steps.
Jenkins pipelines.
Pipeline, yes. Fine. Could you please explain this? What is this exactly? What are the functionalities you want to do?
First, we need to clone, sir.
Okay.
And the next is build step. Where
What is clone?
we need to clone to that.
No. The thing is,
Pipeline.
what is clone? What it's going to do? Clone.
Mm,
Clone. ఏం చేస్తుంది clone అంటే?
idea రావట్లేదు సార్.
Okay, fine. Could you be able to write Docker file? Sample Docker file.
Yeah.
So could you explain that? What is the function derivative from what is the add?
From it is used to image and tags argument,
Okay.
and label is used to define the maintainer's name, email ID,
Okay.
and run it is used to for Linux commands.
Okay.
CMD it does not it overrides the argument, and expose is used for the port forwarding number,
Okay.
and add and copy are used to copy files and add directories to the files.
Okay. What is cross-region replication in S3?
Cross region replication. No, sir, I don't have it.
Could you write the sample Terraform file to create a EC2 instance?
Yeah.
So how do you execute this?
First, we need to create a file in GitHub, Git Bash,
Okay.
and we need to enter all this.
Okay.
And we need to get secret key and access key from the instance,
Okay.
and AMA also.
Okay.
We need to give tag name, environment like Dev or etc.
Okay. There are a few commands to execute the script, right? Terraform script. There are a few commands, Terraform commands, right?
Like Terraform workspace list.
Not no. If you want to create the EC2 instance with the help of Terraform script,
Yes.
there are few commands, right? Terraform commands.
No.
No idea.
No idea.
Terraform Cloud రెండు చూసుకో.
Okay.
The rest everything is okay. So focus on Terraform and then Cloud. Docker is also good. Just look at Terraform and then Cloud. ఈ రెండుగా. Just everything is okay.
Okay.